Welcome to another episode of the I Compare series. And today, what are you comparing? We're gonna compare the AutoTune Pro versus AutoTune EFX Plus versus AutoTune Artist. And right after today's video, you know which one to purchase for your music production. Without any further ado, let's start right after the intro. The name is Jordxn once again, and still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FS Studio and this is another episode of the I Compare series. And as I said, we are comparing AutoTune Pro versus AutoTune EFX Plus versus AutoTune Artist. And right after today's video, you know which one to purchase. Alright, I will do my best to put the official link to Antares Auto-Tune website in the description box, so you can actually click on that and purchase from the original or the legal website. Very simple. So now we're gonna use these vocals. First thing first, let's listen without any auto-tune. I'm gonna loop this section, alright? So let's listen to the vocals first.
That I'm not meant for this, I've got more to give. Make no promises, because you can never keep them, and I keep believing while you've been deceiving. I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor, and I adored you.
First thing first, I'm gonna route the vocals to mixer track 1. So let's double click on that. Mixer track 1, then let's open the mixer track, guys. So the first auto-tune that we're gonna insert is AutoTune Pro. Alright, so this is AutoTune Pro. Let me detach it. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. We want to hit 5k by the end of this month. Alright, so help me achieve that. Let's hit 5k by the end of this month. Alright, so help me subscribe, give the video a like. So this is AutoTune Pro, and the key for this track is D sharp minor. Alright, so I'm gonna set that. So now let's listen to AutoTune Pro without touching of the routine speed, the flex tune, natural vibrator. This is default setting. The only thing we've done is setting our key. So listen.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore.
So what I'm gonna do is to push the routine speed to about 6%. Let's listen.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor, and I adore.
Alright, let's start pushing some of the knobs. I don't like the natural vibrator, so I'm gonna drag it back. I'm gonna crank the humanized knob a little bit up. If you don't know how to use auto-tune, then go and watch my previous videos and I will take you through step by step. Alright, so this is a setting from AutoTune Pro.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor, and I adored you.
Alright, so guys, you can actually tell. Now let's look at the features on AutoTune Pro. Alright, let's look at that, because we're gonna compare these two, AutoTune EFX Plus and AutoTune Artist. So it comes with the routine speed, flex tune, natural vibrator, and humanize. To me, this is simple. All right, I like the interface, and also you can learn. All right, this I have to shoot a special video for you how to use this learn knob here. All right, then you can also transpose. Let's transpose the vocals and see.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore.
Alright, so you can do a lot with that. You can also go for the format. Let's do that.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore.
Alright, so this is the graphic mode where you can do a lot of things. Alright, this I'm gonna shoot a special video for you, so subscribe to the channel and I will take you through that in the next coming videos. Alright, smash that like button, let me know where you are watching me from. Now let's go back to the auto mode. So this is AutoTune Pro. Alright, so we're gonna insert fruity reverb too. If you don't know how to use reverb, I have a full video there. Go and watch it and subscribe to the channel. Alright, so now let's listen to the reverb on our vocals, and we're gonna control the send knob here. We don't want much. Now let's listen to AutoTune Pro with the reverb.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor and I adored you.
This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Now let's move on to AutoTune EFX Plus. By the way, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Give the video a like if it helps you. Let's hit 5k subscribers by the end of this month. Okay, so guys, this is another AutoTune from Antares. This is AutoTune EFX Plus. Now let's say the key minor, D sharp, minor. This also comes with the routine speed and the humanized knob, guys. No flex tune, no natural vibrator. Alright, it also comes with the learn button. As I said, subscribe to the channel because I'll come back and show you what you can actually do with this. Guys, let's listen to this AutoTune EFX Plus on our vocals.
I can't leave all of the
I'm gonna push the routine speed all the way up. Okay, let's go for the 6.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor and I adored you.
Alright, so guys, which one are you going for now? So with AutoTune EFX, you can click on default and browse through presets. Alright, what I'm gonna do is to click on any of them, then you will know what we are talking about. Alright, so if you wanna create special effects, you can use AutoTune EFX. So we're gonna click on another one.
At the door anymore.
Crazy.
I left all my issues on the floor and I adored you. I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore.
Alright, so you can actually browse through here and choose any preset. Jeff Rona, Morgan Herbs. So these are popular producers who have done presets. Alright, so you can browse through any of them. You can click on this and that will be your favorite. All right, it will be added to your favorite. Subscribe to the channel because I will come back and shoot a special video for you. And with AutoTune EFX Plus, you can actually add any effect. Okay, so it can be tube, mutate, vocoder, reverb, chorus, echo. All right, so we can bypass our reverb and add reverb directly from here. So I'm going to click on that, and guys, now listen to the reverb. And you can control the mix from here. Alright, so let me know which one are you going for. In the description box, I've put Antares official website in the description box, so you can click on that and go and purchase whatever that you want. Alright, and one thing is that you can switch to the motion, alright, where you can also browse through different presets.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore.
Alright guys, so let's move on to AutoTune Artist. Comment in the description box, let me know which one are you going for. Alright, just invest into AutoTunes like this and take your music production to the next level. Click on the official link to Antares website in the description box. Now AutoTune Artist, there is another AutoTune from Antares, so where you can choose your scale, the key, which is D sharp. Then it also comes with the routine speed, the flex tune, natural vibrator, and the humanize. As I said, if you don't know how to use AutoTune, I have a full video taking you through that, so you can go and watch my previous videos. And this one also comes with the tracking, the detune, the transpose. Alright, you can also switch to advanced mode, alright, and do a lot of things where you can play with the rate, the onset delay, guys, variation, pitch. Alright, there's a lot of things that you can do from the advanced version. Alright, so let's listen to AutoTune Artist on our vocals together with the reverb.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor and I adore.
Alright, so I'm gonna play with the transpose and the detune of whilst we are listening.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore. I left all my issues on the floor and I adored you. I can't leave all of the reasons at the door.
Alright guys, and over here you can also play with the flex tune.
I can't leave all of the reasons at the door anymore.
If you want vibrator, you can add it, add humanize. Alright guys, so this is another episode from the I Compare series. Which one are you going for? AutoTune Pro or AutoTune EFX Plus or AutoTune Artist? Comment in the description box. Go and purchase yours from the official website of Antares. If you don't know how to use AutoTune, then click on the next video that will pop up on the screen. Until then, the name is Jordxn. Do more music, come back for more. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.